Hey, thanks for tuning in, you guys. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video of the boosted Mini X. I've been cruising around the last couple of months on this DIY electric skateboard. I liked it so much that I wanted more power, longer riding distances, so yeah, I finally made the choice to buy this one. And I just like the short form factor for cruising down the cities. So let's open up this box and see what's inside. Look at that. Alright, the box contains the original booster, and let's see what's in the accessory box. 3 steps to get riding and a manual. Of course, we got the well-known boosted handle. Nice, some tools to adjust the trucks and everything, because I like my trucks a bit loosened. And here we have the charger. It's way bigger than the charger of my DIY board, but it'll have to do the job, right? Nice. Decals. Let's see. A USB connector. Alright, that's pretty much it for the box. And here it is, the boosted. I like the length of it. And here you can see the battery pack and belt driven. So this thing is fast. I like it. Of course, on the back there's a bumper for your tail. So let's see how this thing fires up. Hold down this one. Oh, look at that. That looks nice. And power on the remote. Wow, those LEDs look nice. Look at that. And the difference is between this one and my DIY board is that I need to hold on this engage handle for me to get the motor started. And even if I let loose of the engage button, they stop. So that's all functioning. Okay, I've taken the boosted board outside and I've ridden it for a couple of days. I wanted to talk to you about my first experiences and the app. The app is pretty basic. You can see your battery percentage, your total trip distance time if you don't reset it, and you can easily switch modes. I have done expert now, and the boosted Mini X can go from beginner, eco to expert. These 2 modes are just only for the bigger boosted boards, so not for this one, but I like the expert so far. And you can also track rides that you've made. Like this one, you can see your route and also some stats. Back to boosted itself. I like the wide board. It gives you a really stable ride, and the acceleration with the belt-driven motors are just insane. There's just one minor complaint that I have, and if you look at the belt motors, this protection plate is super close to the wheel line, so even the smallest bump you're able to hit it. And as you can see, I already hit some things, just minor ledges going upward, or speed bumps even, and you can't hit it because it's this distance between the wheel and these motor latches are so small. Anyhow, I'm gonna let you guys see how this thing rolls. So all in all, I've been really happy with the boosted Mini X so far. If you do want some more detailed info, you should visit the website skatemetric.com or their YouTube channel. They have great info, comparisons and all that kind of stuff. So if you want more info, please visit them. And I'm gonna enjoy my boosted Mini X for now. Oh yeah, you can also go backwards on the boosted Mini X. It's super nifty when you need to shoot something like like I'm doing now.